Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming power and basic ergonomics. Verify the 7V or supplied battery is charged and inserted with correct polarity. This prevents boot errors. Once done, remove the lens cap and clean the eyepiece and objective with a microfiber cloth so the image is sharp. Make sure the wrist strap or mount is secured if you plan hands-free use. Then power on with a single long press. The initial green glow indicates the image intensifier is warming up and stabilizing. Now refine the image using the gain and IR controls while you observe the scene. You should start with low gain and slowly increase until you see detail without bright spots or blooming, because too much gain ruins contrast. Next, focus the eyepiece for a crisp reticle or frame, then adjust the objective in small 1/4 turn steps until distant objects resolve. If visibility is low, enable the built-in IR illuminator, but make sure exposure is balanced so highlights do not wash out the view. To finish, lock your focus and gain settings or note them for future similar conditions. Consistency saves time. If the image begins to flicker, dim, or cut out, immediately power off, reseat the batteries, and power on again to rule out loose contacts. Make sure there's no condensation on the tube. If there is, dry the unit in a sealed bag with desiccant before reuse. For persistent failures, inspect connectors for corrosion and consider professional tube repair, because sensor damage needs specialist service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.